Hey everybody, it's Linnea here for Trinity Stamps with another product close-up video from the October 2021 release. This is the Big Bows, Little Bows 4x6 stamp set and a coordinating die set. This stamp set is a 4x6 size and it has a total of 6 stamps. Those little bows are just adorable. The largest bows measure about 2.6 inches square, the medium are about 1.3 inches square, and the small bows are about 1 inch square. Think of how perfect these little bows would be for all of your holiday cards as well as any birthday cards. They would be great for ornaments. They'd be great to actually stamp and die cut and put on top of a gift as well, or even for cute little holiday or birthday tags. Here are a couple examples from the design team. Thank you so much for watching this product close-up video. Coming up on the screen are two more product close-up videos from the Trinity Stamps October 2021 release that I thought you might enjoy. The Big Bows, Little Bows 4x6 stamp set and coordinating dies, as well as the rest of the Trinity Stamps October 2021 release, is available now